I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your VS Code platform and version so you know which setting names apply. Open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P, then type settings to jump directly to the Settings UI. If you prefer precision, open Settings. JSON from the Gear menu, this lets you edit keys directly. Once you have the file open, search for update-related keys such as Update, Mode, or Update. Channel so you can change them immediately, and avoid unintended auto-installs. You now disable auto-update by setting Update Mode to None in Settings, JSON or toggling the auto-update option in the UI. This stops VS Code from fetching and applying updates automatically. On Mac OS, make sure auto-update is false because the platform sometimes uses a separate key. If you installed via a package manager like apt, yum, or homebrew, you must opt out there too. Otherwise, the package manager will reinstall updates. Once changed, save settings and restart VS Code to apply them. To finish, restart VS Code and verify no update prompts appear. This confirms your settings persisted. If updates still occur, inspect workspace settings, machine-level policies, or enterprise configuration that can override your user preferences. Make sure you change those sources too. If the issue remains, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and review console logs for update-related entries. The logs show which component requested updates. Once you identify the override, adjust or remove it, then restart again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.